Alright, hello vlog. New week here, Tuesday. I don't do well filming on Mondays for some reason. But we kicked some butt on Monday. We got a couple jobs done, so let's show you what we got here. We've got these airplane parts. We got those all done yesterday, so those I just need pictures to send them all. On the racks here hanging, we have that sewing machine. Just got to reassemble that. Outside of that, it all got coated pretty well yesterday. We got some work done on the oven here this weekend and last night. Last night I got all these studs in, so I just need my cross bracing a little bit, and that'll be good to go. And then we have a ton of stuff. This isn't even all of it. This is just what we outgassed last night. So we are packing up here to head off to the blaster to final blast that stuff so we can start shooting things today. Because as you can see here, we got a couple jobs kind of, let's see, get in a little closer here. We got a couple jobs checked off the list, but we've got lots more to go. So I got to get to work. Hey bud, just want to say great job getting the shop TV up and installed. We now have entertainment in the shop. We'll work all the time, guaranteed, all the time. Okay, let's wrap up this week here. It's been kind of a weird week with the holiday in it and everything, but we did get some work done. So we got these camper brackets. We got those bad boys all done. A couple pieces that were in chrome for a camper. We've got more for that, but we shot chrome. Got that big wheel all done last week. All the little parts inside it are done. We got all the Cushman parts done except for this tank that's been a huge pain in my dick. We actually ran out of the red color. I tried to use another red color that I thought was close. It was not. So it's got to be stripped and redone, which isn't cool. But anyway, we've got all these truck parts for Dodge Cummins, mask off, ready to go. So those will shoot tomorrow on Monday. And then we've got a couple of the Cummins parts here that are going to be shot in high temp black ceramic. So that's a thing. And then last thing, we got a new project in. This is a Coyote Racing go-kart frame and bumpers. And yeah, so that's cool because that's like our first one of those. So that's kind of neat. Outside of that, we did make a little more progress on the oven here. I got a few studs put in the side here. We've just been so busy, it's been at a standstill, so whatever. But that pretty much wraps up the week, so we'll be on. It's supposed to snow tonight a lot. Not excited. But anyway, we move on to Monday. See ya.